So we have a story problem. For this item, any answers that are not whole numbers should be entered as decimals rounded to the hundredth. So we will be able to use a calculator. Marissa's Fashions purchases designer boots from a manufacturer for $50.88 per pair. So that's their cost. Marissa then adds a certain amount to the price of the boots as a markup when she sells them in the store. The total cost for a customer buying the boots at the store is $90.10. So I'm going to keep that in mind. $90 and, whoops, a marker, that works better. $90.10. Okay. This includes a 6.25 sales tax that's added in. So I want to, this is actually going to be 106.25% of what it was. Before the tax, it was 90.10. So I'm going to take 90.10 and divide it by 106.25 to get what it was ahead of time. So we'll do 90, whoops, let me use this, 90.10 divided by 106.25 equals, okay, so it was $84.80 is how I would interpret that off the calculator. Move it over 2 and then add a 0. So before tax, it was $84.80. And if we want to check that, I can take this times, where's my times here? Times 0.0625, which would give me $5.30. Added on to $84.80 does give you the 90.10. So that was right. All right. So now we want to see, take the $84.80 and subtract $50.88 from it to see how much she marked it up. So as long as they're letting us use a calculator, let's put this into the calculator and clear entry. So $84.80 minus 50.88. Whoops. I'm going to clear my entry and do the 50.88 again because it didn't get the decimal point. So that came out $33.92 is what she's marking it up. So she's adding $33.92 to it. Okay. So now I want to figure out what part of that 50.88 33.92 is. So I'm going to do 33.92 divided by 50.88. Let's see what we get there. So clear this out. And we're going to do 33.92 divided by 50.88. Now, whoa, look at all those sixes. But we know we can round it to the nearest hundredth. So I'm going to go over to here to this one and round it up one. So this is actually 67, or actually 66.7%, which is a markup of $33.92 per boot.